Fishbowl inventory is solid, and it's why so many businesses have built their inventory operations around it. It's reliable, it's deep, and it does exactly what it says on the label, so to speak. But even the best software in the world can still feel like a chore to open in the morning. The desktop client was built for a different era. You install it here, VPN over there, or a remote desktop into the warehouse computer just so you can check stock. It's just a lot of steps so that you can ask yourself, do we have this item on hand? And here's the good news, you don't need to replace Fishbowl to fix that. Honestly, please don't. What you need is simpler and much more straightforward. That's what Nexus is. It's a browser-based front end that connects directly into your Fishbowl data. No install, no VPN, no waiting on a remote session to load in. You simply open a tab and you're in. Laptop on the road, tablet on the warehouse floor, phone while you're grabbing a coffee before your morning shift. It doesn't matter. Same reliable Fishbowl on the back end that you trust and know, with just a much easier front door that you have to walk through. You've got everything from pallet management, QR codes, inventory, on-hand purchase order, sales orders, all the good stuff. But because it's Nexus, you're not just stuck clicking after menu after menu after menu. You can actually just ask for what you need. Show me everything below reorder point. Pull today's orders. Give me last quarter's inventory spend report. And it's just there. No report builder, no ticket to IT, no waiting until tomorrow because somebody's out sick. Think of the benefits: providing quotes on the trade show floor, tracking pallets in the warehouse, drafting POs from your phone, checking stock between meetings. One solution for everywhere that the work happens. So if your team loves Fishbowl, but avoids going back to it throughout the day to save time or effort, that's not a Fishbowl problem. That's just an outdated entry point. And honestly, it's one that's really easy to fix. Same system you already trust, now with a front door that finally matches it. Links down below.